Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be opening up this 2016 Tubs holiday box. Got this one for Christmas and I'm super excited to open it up. So yeah, let's get ripping into it. Got the scissors here. Gotta get into the plastic if I can. I've never opened up 2016 holiday before. First time I've actually seen it, so this will be exciting to open. I can even get my scissors into here. Oh man, it's tough. There we go. I think I got it. So I got into it finally. Maybe not. Oh, there you go. Putting it down the middle. Oh, it's sealed very tightly. Oof. So there's the box without the wrapper. There's the back. Collect the best 200 MLB players in Series 1 and 2 in update. There's the back. There's the odds right there. Looking for that autograph. 1 every 308 boxes. The sides. So yeah, let's get ripping right into this box. And it is kind of similar to the box we did open yesterday. This 2018 holiday box. Haven't watched it, not gonna spoil what we pulled out of, but we got a pretty good relic out of there. No autograph, but yeah. So here, there's the empty box. Oops, pack fell on the ground. Empty box, nothing in it. Packs. All of the packs. So yeah. Let's get ripping into the first pack here. So this looks like it has the relic in it, so we will save that one for last. Could be a relic auto, so we'll save that one for last. Yes, no relic in there. That'll focus. So, off the top, we got Jake Odorizzi Future Stars. Zach Greinke. Focus on the card. There we go. Matt Duffy. Trace Thompson rookie card. And there's a nice one, Michael Conforto rookie card. There'll be some good rookies in here. Here's a Michael Moustakas, Snowflake, Ryan Braun, Odubel Herrera, Future Stars, Neil Walker, and Jason Kipnis. That was the second pack. These art designs are actually pretty nice. You can see. So we got Eric Hosmer, Miguel Cabrera, Michael Fulmer rookie card. There's Jacoby Ellsbury, the man who stole the Yankees' money. Albert Amora Jr. rookie card. Actually, yeah, that's a good rookie. Jed Lowry, Yu Darvish, Adrian Beltre, Aroldis Chapman, and Mark Teixeira. Nice. So moving on to our fourth pack, I want to say. Yeah. Or no. Wait. I do not know how many packs we have opened. Oh, there goes the box. There's the packs. Okay. So here's not focused on that. We got the man, the myth, the legend, Bartolo Colon. That's a cool one. Andrew McCutchen, Jack Peterson, Anthony Rizzo, Starling Marte, Giovanni Gallardo. I remember him from the Brewers, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure he played on the Brewers, yeah. Johnny Cueto, Ross Stripling rookie card. Nice. Trevor Story rookie card. Those are the ones you look for in 2017, and you know, Escobar. So that's a pretty good one right there. Snowflake is even better. Moving on to the next pack here in Holiday. We got a nice Francisco Lindor Future Stars card. Melvin Upton Jr., Brandon Crawford, Masahiro Tanaka, Manny Machado, Victor Martinez, Miguel Sano rookie card, another good one, Starlin Castro, David Ortiz, and a George Springer. Here's the odds on the back here. There are no pictures necessary. Should have showed that in the first pack, but whatever. Hunter Pence, Brian Buxton, David Price, Evan Gattis, Matt Adams, Adam Wainwright Snowflake, Josh Johnson, there's a Miguel Pineda, Michael Wacha, and Andrelton Simmons. A little bit of flair, sorry about that. Yeah, 2016 Holiday, another one. This one does not want to open. Madison Bumgarner, Giancarlo Stanton, Edwin Encarnacion, Marcell Ozuna, Kenta Maeda rookie card, that's a nice one. Robinson Cano, Javier Baez Future Stars, R.A. Dickey, CC Sabathia, and Gregory Polanco. We got 3 more packs to go. See, the pack art is quite nice on it. Uh-oh, stuck to my hand. There you go. Mookie Betts, Mendy Diaz rookie card, Joe Mauer, Denard Span, Cole Calhoun Future Stars Snowflake, and there's another good one, Aaron Nola rookie card. Not bad. Put that with the cover story. Adam Jones, Corey Kluber, Craig Kimbrell, and a Jose Barrios rookie card. So 2 really good rookie cards in that pack. Gathering up quite the rookies. Also did pull that you also know rookie card. I just have a lot of that card. I don't think I have a Trevor Story rookie card or Jose Barrios rookie card, so those are pretty nice. Evan Longoria, Adam Wainwright, Roberto Osuna Future Stars Gold Cup, Starling Marte, Dylan Betances just signed with the Mets, Elvis Andrus, Kenley Jansen, Jackie Bradley, Matt Andriese, and Denny Hechavarria. Moving on to the last pack, then we'll get to the relic right over here. There's the relic pack. Last pack here. Oh, nice one on the back. Luis Severino. I am a Yankees fan, so I do collect Yankees cards. Brendan Belt, Nolan Arenado, Ryan Howard, Michael Brantley, another Roberto Osuna, that's a Snowflake variation, Matt Harvey, Justin Upton, Joe Panik, Yoenis Cespedes, and a Luis Severino rookie card. So, really good rookie cards. Now we're moving on to the relic pack, and we'll move that to the last. Then we got a Paul Goldschmidt, Marco Estrada, Nomar Mazar rookie card, just got traded to the White Sox, Rafael Iglesias, Jason Hamo, Addison Russell, and I thought that was Russell Martin, and Yoenis Cespedes relic. It's a nice one. I think they just cut down his contract. Congratulations, you have received a relic card from Topps Walmart Holiday Mega Box. So, overall, pretty good box, to say the least. We got some really good rookies, like Luis Severino rookie card, Aaron Nola rookie card, the Yoenis Cespedes relic, nice white relic there, the Jose Barrios rookie, and the Trevor Story rookie card. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, like it, subscribe down below. Make sure you tune into the next video I post. There's going to be a lot of videos coming out soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.